Mug warmer for desk, coffee cup warmer for desk auto shut off. 2020 EOPRO coffee warmer milk warmer, home office desk electric hot plates beverage warmer for tea, milk, water. 2 temperature settings. Our electric coffee mug warmer can slow down the cooling speed of hot beverage, maintain the beverage in the cup at 40 degrees C 60 degrees centigrade and keep warmer within the time you set up to 9 hours, which is neither too hot or too cold. Intelligently identifying coffee cup warmer insulation seat has a mode for intelligently identifying cups. The cup is not placed on it, the 2 bars are displayed and flashing, and the heat is not heated. The insulation seat will auto shut off. Safe and reliable, mug warmer for desk auto shut off. Press the time button to enter the time shutdown mode. The digital display time for the time shutdown is adjustable from 1 to 9 hours. This coffee cup warmer have a flat glass surface design. Use suitable mugs. Coffee cup warmer can be fit most cups, such glass cup, stainless steel cup, ceramic cup, etc. The double-layer vacuum cup effect will not obvious. For better results, we recommend using flat-bottom glass cup or stainless steel cup. Perfect gift choice. Keep the beverages warm all day, making it a great gift for lover, dad, mom, wife, husband and all your loved ones on Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, and Christmas, and other special occasions to show you care, making its hot plate warm up to any desired temperature from room temperature to 110. Keep warm your drink to as high as 131.55. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.